what I can gather, you are being interrogated by the man in the next room. Who are you and why do they want you?
About a year ago, this gang captured me because I'd witnessed a murder they'd committed. This Bronco with aviators turned up and killed everyone, except they didn't die. And they recaptured me, and then he turned up again and started killing them again. So then they interrogated me because they thought I was working with him. And that's pretty much it.
Okay. Did you hear them say anything about a man called Ahmed Iqbal Bean?
They might have mentioned him once or twice, but I don't really know who he is at all.
Okay. But did you hear anyone mention the name Dr. Box?
No, I don't think so.
You are useless!
What's going on? What's wrong?
He's useless, I can't get anything out of him. I just want to slap him across the face. I don't know what it is, there's something about him.
I'm having no better luck with the person down there.
Alright, I'll see what I can do.
Good luck.
We've been keeping an eye on you.
I'd expect nothing less.
We know about your connection to Dr. Boss, and we're sure you know about his connection to Ahmed Iqbal Bean. We know he is planning something. What can you tell us about it? If you make things a little easier for us, maybe we'll make things a little easier for you.
My area of business, I know many Iqbal Beans. You're going to have to be a bit more specific.
More specific? Either you tell me everything you know, or we might just have to let your family know what their son does for a living.
I've already killed my family, so I guess the joke's on you.
You might not have any family, but we know all about your friends. How about I call your best friend, Mr. Hammer?
Be my guest. I've got some old debts to settle with him.
You know, I've been having really bad indigestion lately.
This is useless. Come with me. This is hopeless. There's only one thing left to do. I need to call him.
Him?
Him.
Him?
Him.
You can't, it's stupid.
You're fired, mate. It's Lorison. I need you down at the agency. 5 minutes?
What do you want?
We think we have one of your little friends in there, but we can't make them talk.
Oh, Jack.
He's ready to talk.
Good work. Wait! Thank you very much. Get me internal security. I've just interrogated the suspect. We have reason to believe that Iqbal Bean will strike today at the Prime Minister's summit. I need you to send a team now. It's been strongly advised they lock down the perimeter as soon as possible.
This is internal security. Please select your desired option using your numeric keypad. Press 1 for general inquiries. Press 2 if you wish to submit a complaint. Press 3 if you wish to report an instance of international espionage. Press 4 if you wish to complete a short survey to help improve customer experience. Press 5 if you wish to report the launch of a nuclear device.
me a feed from the interrogation room.
Yes, sir.
We have to go. Iqbal Bean is in the building. Don't let him go. Iqbal Bean's going to attack today to hit the Prime Minister's summit. I need you to get there now. Iqbal Bean knows where we are. I'm taking you to a safe location.
Heathrow Tower, this is XM496.
We are ready for takeoff. IFR, runway 29 left.
We are a go.
talking.
Excuse me,
Yes.
do you have any refreshments?
Yeah, we have. Would you like me to go fetch some?
Oh, yes, please.
Rude.
So what would you like?
I'll have those, please.
That'll be $269.99, please.
Quite reasonable, actually. I think it was more last time I was on one of these flights.
Thank you all for coming. As you know, today we're here to discuss the threat of Iqbal Mukbeen.
Ahmed Iqbal Bean.
Ahmed Iqbal Bean.
Excuse me.
What?
Can I have a sweet, please?
Go on then.
This is Ahmed Iqbal Bean, and he's becoming an increasingly dangerous and ever-growing threat, and nothing has been done to stop him so far.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Is that Jack Hammer?
What the?
Oh, Mama should have downstairs.
What is going on?
Abracadabra. Everybody calm down.
Why do you Americans never shut up?
That is it! Whoa.
My babushka hit harder than that. Well, if we're all doing this, then your economic policy sucks. Listen to the Thomas Christ.
on then.
Do as I say.
How about no?
That wasn't a question.
Oh dear. What the hell is going on?
What happened? What happened?
Land this plane! Right. You are coming with me.
I will be making a formal complaint. Wake up! Jordan! Move!
Hello again.
Hi. I want a lawyer.
You want a lawyer? Meet your new barrister.
Oh! Okay, the plan was to crash the plane into a Prime Minister's summit, killing her and all the politicians in the process. And they knew that you'd be on the plane, transferring me to the safe house. And they figured that this way they could make it look like an inside job.
By they, do you mean Iqbal Bean?
Yes, but I work for someone else.
Who do you work for?
They call him Boss.
That's no good. Tell me his name or you'll meet the judge as well.
No, that is his name. Dr. Boss.
Jack, it's Dr. Boss. Get Dr. Boss.
Yes, Jack. Him.
Surprise, surprise! Welcome to the freezer, Jack! Get him while I finish my drink!
I can see, Jack. I've got even bigger knife.
dead.
One sec.
It's not over, Jack. We have word that our men are closing in on Iqbal Bean as we speak, but Dr. Boss is still at large.
I thought I killed him.
Not quite, Jack. All we found were bloodstains where the body should have been.
I don't work for you anymore.
Jack. The fact remains that Dr. Boss is still at large, and you're the only one who can stop him. Do you have a problem with that, Jack?
I don't have problems. I am the solution.
Hello, Jack. As you probably know by now, I'm not quite dead. Well, how about it then, Jack? Just you and me in a little get-together. You know the place. It'll just be like old times.
Chris, this is not appropriate.
Dr. Boss will see you now.
Take a seat, Jack. Would you care for some butter? You're probably wondering why I called you here today, Jack. You see, you called me at a bad time earlier. You see, when I was at the freezer, I was just out buying my frozen goods. You see, I wasn't ready for a rematch! But now, it's time to snuff you out for good. Wanna die? Not today! Fight me like a man. Let's do this.
Quick!